Welcome everyone, I'm Dan and this is Bake News. RDNA 2 supply, where's the GeForce and AMD cards, mind you asking? Ryzen in a small form factor, PC and right to repair. Soon as this month, AMD launched the RDNA 2 lineup, the decision be made to ramp up the memories for the RTX 3000 video cards, but you can find out from the latest MSI submission made for the EEC yesterday. The 3080 original 10GB model will soon to be remembered as the 20GB cards will be launched end of January. The naming suggests there's gonna be a TI model. The more mid-range model 3060 will be planned to launch 6 and 12GB as well by the end of January. Nvidia had a record earnings in Q3. The news site suggests the new card sold worth more than $175 million and the miners will take 150 million slices from this one. If you compare to the numbers that leave only 15% for the gamers, but it should be the opposite. The most important for the company perspective to sell as many and as pricey cards as possible, by seeing the revenue side of the story from 2.1 billion planned, they reached at $2.79 billion. ASRock possibly announced the smallest form factor Ryzen PC with only 0.7 liters in volume. For the CPU, can go up to 4800U 8-core 16-thread processor. 64GB of memory with 2 video output. It's a very promising looking compact machine for video and photo editing purposes. As of right now, we're still waiting for availability. Even if it launch in early next year, need at least time till spring will be more widely available. As when AMD spokesperson told us, this new Radeon is not gonna be a paper launch, it's not what it is. According to European retailers, they get little to no stock or no stock at all. ProShop received 120 cards from more than 3,000. In UK, scans sold that stock nearly immediately. Overclockers likely happen next week. Australia we are selling only AIB partner cards as a reference card will not be restocked. In US, Newegg haven't got a single card in stock. As usual, as it looked the prices will hike as the new cards will be available usually between $80 and $160 more than it should be. The new MacBook Pro 16-inch could get a new Radeon GPU expected in early as mid-2021, as the current lineup will end only the 5600M on the right side paired with the newly announced M1X chip. Last one, but possibly the most important, the European Parliament has this week voted to support the right to repair, including a system of mandatory labeling on consumer electronics to provide explicit information on the repairability and lifespan of products. The EU Commission to develop and introduce the mandatory labeling to provide clear, immediately visible and easy to understand information to consumers on the estimated life and repairability of a product at the time of purchase. According to a recent EU survey of public opinion, 70% of EU citizens would rather repair the device than replace them, and 79% think that manufacturers should be legally obligated to facilitate the repair of digital device or the replacement of their individual parts. France is already planning to roll out repairability ratings for smartphones, laptops and other products from January 2021. That can put the end for the already harder repair device the end. Have a good day and see you for the next one.